Photographers. No, it's all. But you guys come very close. From
photographer, please. This totally arranged. Photographer, please. Sir, everything will come back. Please come back, please. Hello, photographer, please come back.
Okay, we come from here.
Yeah, please come back. Please come back.
Please fall back. Please come back. Photographer, please come back.
एक मिनट
यार वापस आ जाओ ना प्लीज हो जाएगा
हेलो 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 अरे हेलो फोटोग्राफर
It's just mithai, please.
Yes, mithai.
Let's start with mithai. Yeah. माँ पीछे
अंदर से लेके आओ प्लीज सेटल डाउन
नहीं नहीं Okay, right. Tanya, okay, let's way to go. सबसे पहले मुबारकबाद और जानना चाहेंगे कैसा लग रहा है और किस तरह से फीलिंग कर रहे हैं? Well, जाहिर है बहुत अच्छी बात है. I mean, I'm very happy. I think we are all very happy. It's a very happy occasion, and I mean, it's still you know, a few days away or a few weeks away, so we're really happy.
So what is the exact date? What have you decided on?
The date is 15th for the reception of April.
And the wedding?
No, that is the reception. So
where would
in Hyderabad, yes. The venue is not decided as yet, but we'll let you know as soon as we know, whenever we book a hall. Yes, in Hyderabad.
कैसे कहाँ देखे आपने कहाँ मुलाकात हुई?
All those things are very personal, so I am neither am I nor is Shoaib comfortable answering them. But I think today we should just be happy we are together and we are getting married, and I think that's the most important thing.
सर आपने बताया था शोएब के बारे में या शोएब के बारे में सानिया आपको बताया था?
I think we met them together and liked him, and she liked him, and we liked him, and etc.
What about your career? How are you taking it forward now?
Well, it doesn't change. I mean, just because we are married, nothing changes for women. So I'm going to keep playing. Right now I'm nursing injury. It's a great time to get married. I have a lot of free time at hand, I guess. So yeah, I'm going to keep playing. We're going to settle in Dubai. I'm going to play for India. He's going to, you know, inshallah play for Pakistan, and everything's going to remain the same except the fact that we're going to be married.
सानिया कई बातें आ रही है कि इंडिया पाकिस्तान के रिश्ते अच्छे नहीं हैं, ऐसे में आपकी शादी, बहुत से लोग बहुत सी बातें कर रहे हैं. VHP का धरना था, क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप भारत के लोगों को कि क्या फर्क पड़ने वाला है?
I think we are getting married. I mean, we're not making any statement here or political statement. We are getting married. It's simple. आपकी जैसी शादी होगी, मेरी वैसी शादी होगी, बस सिंपल बात है. तो I think इतने खुशी के मौके में आप मिठाई हाथ में रख के ऐसी बातें आपको नहीं करनी चाहिए. अब आप बस खुश रहिए कि शादी हो रही है, और I think we are both very happy. Our families are happy, and I don't think we can ask for more.
The reason for choosing Dubai, because you are from India and he's from Pakistan.
The first time I met him was
Dubai has always been our favorite place.
6-7 years ago. So I know him for a long time.
She loves the Indianness in Dubai.
Of course. और उनके खेल के हिस्से में मुझे याद आया कि he just made 92 of 25 balls in the Bangladesh Premier League, and and I told him, I just spoke to him and they won their match, so I said I'm going for an interview, and I must tell you that he made 92 or 25, just missed the world record.
There have been controversies which have been associated with him in Hyderabad itself. So is that going to weigh on your mind?
No, of course not. I mean, if it was, then I wouldn't be standing here and telling you I'm getting married to him. So, no, definitely not. I think I've always lived in the present, and so has he, and we've all made a very, a decision to live in the present, and we are all very happy in what's going on today.
When is the marriage date?
Well, first of all, he's a resident there, and obviously even I'm, going to be a resident there. But we'll still have an Indian. I'll have an Indian passport. He'll have a Pakistani passport, and it's a middle base for both of us. And I mean, Dubai is a great place to live in, and it's easier for him. He plays a lot of matches in Dubai now because of the Pakistan issues or whatever. So it's also easier for him.
How difficult do you think it is to transition now that you are deciding to settle in Dubai? How different is going to be? How difficult is it? Is the transition going to be really?
I don't think that difficult. Dubai is like second home. I've always said that. Even when I used to play there, it's like second home. I mean, with so many Indian Pakistanis there, it doesn't feel like it's so it's a home away from home. Of course, I'll miss my parents, I'll miss family, but I mean, it's only a 3-hour flight away, so I think that's a good part.
India Pakistan match hoga to kise support karenge? Confusion hai?
I will support India, but I will obviously support my husband, my to-be husband. But definitely, I think I will support India.
What do you have to say to the critics that it's too early after your breakup?
I don't think it's anyone's business, honestly. That's about it. Okay.
Initiatives to build bridges between both the countries. Yeah. Did you happen to think twice before being married before deciding to get married to a Pakistani?
I mean, no, I would be lying if I said we weren't aware of the problems. Of course, there are issues. I mean, we didn't expect people are going to say, oh, okay, cool, that's fine, they're getting married. Of course, it was a shock, and but I want to thank all of you because you guys have supported it a lot, and I think you guys have given me a lot of wishes. Even on Twitter, I've gotten so many, like people from Pakistan and people from India wishing us the very best of luck, and as well as you guys, and I hope that this continues, and we can all be one happy family.
Okay, you just got your serve as an example for the emulate, because it's always been looked at strained relations between both the countries. So you would perhaps be the first person who's even taken such a step. So would you want others to emulate this?
Honestly, it doesn't matter to me if someone emulates it or not. The fact is that I am doing it and we are getting married, and I think to me this is the most important day of my life, and I just want to know how I'm going to look and how my hair is going to be, rather than think if someone else is going to emulate what India-Pakistan political issues are going to be. And his biggest issue is if after wearing the cap his hair is going to be okay or not. So that's all we're thinking about. We're really happy, and I think that's about it. There's not much left to say.
Now that you've got your visa, how soon are you looking to travel there for celebrations?
Well, the reception, there's a walima, which we call, there's a reception in Pakistan, so obviously we need a visa to go there, so we are going to go there. But first we have, on the 15th, we have the reception here, and after that, the date will be decided for the Pakistan reception.
Your first child will be cricketer or tennis star?
You've reached to my children also already. I'm not married yet, you've reached children. First I have to play, till I'm going to play Olympics in 2012. So after that we'll talk about what my first child will do. Okay?
I think that's
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
Please have the mithai.
Please have the mithai.
Thank you.
So can I give you mithai first?
You want to check?
पापा खिला देना।
Sania, can you please do it there? No, can you please do it there? Thank you so much.
To your father, no?
Sania, can you? No.
Sania, you shake your father.
This is for your, not for the father will have later. This is for your.
You settle the mic, say if I come there, it will be very. But you guys come very close. Promise me you're going not to come. First, your hair to लो ना आप Yeah, we can't come.
Photographer, खत्म कीजिए। यार जल्दी करो ना। We are taking.
मिठाई लो खुशी की सर दुआ करो ठीक है चलो ले लो वहाँ पर पास करती जाओ अब यहाँ पे मत बंद करो गेट बंद करो चलो 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 वहाँ दो बहुत है मिठाई
ढकलो मत यार ढकलो मत तुम्हारे इनके सबको मिल रही सबको मिल रही चलो बस
बालाजी की भी लेंगे क्या है तुम बालाजी की भी होना